Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable full screen start menu in desktop PC or laptop. So as if you want to enable full screen start menu in desktop PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly right click, after click on personalize, click on start and here option use the full screen. So if you want to enable, so slash to on position, and if you want to disable, so slash to off position. And if you want to enable, so slash to on position. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to enable or disable full screen start menu in desktop PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.